Want to learn how to add glitter or any other design to text in Canva? Then keep on watching. Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty. I'm going to jump right into how to add glitter to text in Canva, and this will work with any pattern really. So the first thing you want to do is go to Elements on the left side panel, and you'll search for your glitter background. Once you've chosen the glitter background that you like, make sure you select it, and on the left side panel, click Apps and search for Font Frame. Here you'll add your text that you want to add the glitter to, and you also have different options. So you can choose the line and letter spacing, you can choose to add or take away a border, change the color. You can also select different fonts from the font menu. And again, make sure the background is selected and click Use Selected. You can zoom in and out, move it around, and then just click Add to Design. When you add it, it does come in as an image, so you can edit it as an image as such. You can add an outline, glow, it's totally up to you. But that's how easy it is to add glitter to text in Canva. Hopefully you learned something new. If you did, be sure to like and follow for more. Later, y'all.